Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So this will be a series of videos of learning Python. First we will start with basics of Python, like we will just learn general Python like functions, what is operators and stuff. You might not know the terminologies yet, but I will explain it them later. So in this video we will be downloading and setting up our Python environment. So first of all, you have to download Python. You can just search Python download and go on first link and click on it. Okay, so our Python is installed. So now let's install it. Launch when ready, install Python, and then just hit enter Y and enter Y again. It's trying to install C Python. We'll install it too. So while it's installing, we'll download VS Code, which is also known as Visual Studio Code. We'll use this for like making programs in Python. Okay, the online help. I don't want to visit the online help, and our VS Code is downloaded too. You just have to click on I accept the agreement, and then if you want a desktop icon, you can check it off, or if you don't want it, just untick it. I don't want it, and click install. I'll just close it. Okay, so after that, just click on finish. Okay, so I had it already downloaded. After that, you will get an interface like this. So when you get interface like this, you have to click on open folder. We'll create a new folder for our program. You can create it anywhere in your system. I'll make it on desktop. Let's say Python, and then I'll hit enter. Okay, so I'll trust this folder, so it won't ask me again and again. Now click on new file. If you don't get this option, just in case, you can create a new file from here too. For example, I'll click on here and then click on Python file. Yeah, we're good to go there. And after doing that, you have to install some Python related stuff in VS Code 2. Install these Microsoft official ones, like this and this and this, and you might have them already installed too, because we just installed Python. In case you don't have it, you can install them, and we'll install it too for the correct indentation. It will help us with the indentation. Okay, so first we will create a file again now, named first program.py. So our Python files extension is py, and after that you can just hit enter, and we'll now write our first program saying print and hello world, just like everyone else. And then you click on this one, and you can see our output is here. I think it's readable now. So we got this now. And for example, you want something else. For example, I want to type White Fortress Cybersecurity. It will show you White Fortress Cybersecurity as it is. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. We'll make some more programs on Python in upcoming videos. Thank you guys for watching.